Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use SVG images safely on SiteGround. I just tap on Safari browser. Before you create an account, you will have to purchase a plan. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me after creating your account. So one of the simplest method is to use a plugin like SVG Sport or Safe SVG. A plugin allows you to upload SVG files directly to the WordPress media library. It can save the directly media library of WordPress. And what is an SVG file? Stands for a scalable vertical graphics, and it's a unique file format that scales without any loss in image quality. And after the scalability makes SVG images incredibly and adaptable regardless if you are viewing an SVG image on a tiny smartphone screen or a huge desktop monitor. The image will always look crisp and clear. This makes SVG file perfect simple image defined border and clean. This video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.